Hey guys, so this is a video on the website that we set up for the subcontractors. And there's actually three places where you can access the information to set up a subcontractor, give them a username, give them a password. You can do it from the admin page or either the production manager or supervisor. I'm going to go ahead and go to the supervisor page just so you can see. And what you'll find is under actions. There's a subs website. The same button is on the production manager and the admin page. When you pop that open, you have a list of all the subcontractors. We can decide later how we want to work this, but right at the moment, you can search for anybody in here. You can assign them a username. You can assign them a password. So this is all editable. You just go and change it to whatever you want. Keep in mind the username needs to be unique. So it might be best to use their email address, just like we do to get into Honey, so that way it stays unique. I put some of these in here just for test data, but you can set the password to whatever you want. Make it real simple, make it real complex. I don't care what you want to do. Right now, I don't have a way to email them automatically saying, hey, you've been set to this website and here's your username and password. So you'll have to let them know, probably send them an email and just copy and paste these pieces in for the first time. Once they have it done in their website, they can save it, usually to the website itself or to their browser or their computer or their phone or whatever. It should save. Okay, so that's the easiest way to set the subcontractor and get them hooked up. After that, anytime you go into, let's go to the job I've been playing with. Whenever we, so this is the one I've been playing with. If you guys want to screw around with it, here it is. You can assign these. I've got a test subcontractor as well, and there's some actual data in here as well. Not really. It's all fake data because it's a fake job. But anyway, we can set people to whatever we want. If you assign the contractor, we can choose a contractor to assign it to. It can be whoever you want. In this case, I'm going to go and set it to this guy still. As of tomorrow, so today is Wednesday, the 29th of June. So as of tomorrow, the code will be live so that when you assign or make any changes to the cycle status for a cycle, it will alert the subcontractor, whoever's assigned. It'll send them an email and say, hey, this has been changed. That way they know when they're assigned. They know when it's in progress, listed as that. They know when it's been signed off. And I will show you the website in another video because a page doesn't like to jump like that. But anyway, I assign this, which is now assigned. That's all good and fine and dandy. You'll also be able to communicate back and forth with your subcontractor through here. You can actually add a note and send them a note specific to this cycle, which will show up on the website. You can add photos specific to this. So if you add a photo in here on this cycle, it will show up on the website for that cycle and the subcontractor can see it. Vice versa, they can add photos and on the website and you can see it here or you can see it in the general photos for the job because it adds to both. The other piece of the puzzle is the checklist. This obviously has these items in here. As the subcontractor, they'll be required to sign off either as handled, yes, or it's not applicable for every checklist item in order to be able to be done with the job. And I'll show you how that works on the website. But once they're done, there's a button they'll be able to press and it will send the supervisors an email saying this subcontractor says they're done with this cycle. Go ahead and check it out and then go into Honey and set it as signed off, which again will alert the subcontractor that you've done that.
Mm-hmm.
And then everybody knows they should be getting paid. It should actually eliminate some of those problems that we run into here in the more recent past. Okay, so that's all I'm going to show on this for now.